Everybody say hello. 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 I'm so important that I was given 2 mics. Interesting. I better come for your mic. Good evening. Are you having fun? No. Who cares? If you're not having fun, who cares? See, let me tell you something. Before I got here, it was hectic. I met one guy and I told him I was coming to Central University. He said, oh, I said, what pound prayer on wow. It was that bad, you know. But you know, ladies, why? Ladies, why? You know, why do you put on fake makeup? See, as I'm speaking to you now, and I have makeup on my dress, seriously. I was in a queue and someone just, see, the lipstick even dropped. Seriously, it was that bad. Everything is fake. Everything from hair, fake. Breast, fake. Hips, fake. Shoe, fake. Who said ass? My friend, I don't like that. You know what? Let me tell you something. See, think positive. Okay? Stop thinking negative. Some of us always think negative. Please, at least, let us have some kind of pigment of positiveness in us. Okay? If you cannot be positive mentally, biologically, you can. Try and be HIV positive. Oh, try and be HIV positive. It's true. That one is permanent. It is a positive change. I'm telling you, see, if you are here and you have not gone for your HIV status, don't go. Because the test kills faster. I'm telling you, the test they kill faster. I remember one time I wanted to go for my HIV test status. I just woke up one morning, got to the hospital. See, when I got to the hospital, I began going slim. It was that bad. Went slim, saw the doctor. The doctor saw me, was like, excuse me, what are you here for? I said, I'm here for my HIV test. Oh, my friend, you already have AIDS? He said, he was like, you already have AIDS? I was like, no, I don't have. He said, my friend, picture no lie. You have AIDS. So gradually, he took my sample. See, when the doctor was taking my sample, he wasn't wearing gloves, he was wearing condom. Oh, it's true now. It happens, right? If you want to know a broke guy, check the depth of his pocket. See, the broke guys, they are so broke that their length of their pocket is equal to their trousers. So if you ask such a guy for one seat, you can imagine the hassle the person will go through. You have to bend down, raise the trousers, push the pocket up. By the time the man will come out, it has come to counterfeit. I'm telling you. See, let me tell you something. Ladies, kiss well. African, I don't know, see, I kissed. See, I've kissed a white lady before. White ladies kiss well. Black ladies, oh, you kiss with frustration. Kiss with frustration. See, a lady kissed me and at the end of the kiss, my mouth was smelling garlic. It's true. Very true. She kissed me. See, we started the kissing. See, when an African lady is kissing and you bypass her, you think she's drinking from a calabash. Why? Is that bad? You know, I'm still talking about kissing, you know. Kissing, all of a sudden she was like, duh. No, were you kissing or drinking saliva? Which one were you doing? How can you kiss and belch at the same time? See, after that day, my friends, please, I became dehydrated. The water in me got finished. I had to go to the hospital for drip. I'm telling you, you have broke guys among you, right? See, ladies, if you want to know a broke guy, take him to the ATM. swear you are going to know a broke guy. Take him to the ATM. If you want to know a broke, when he goes to the ATM, he slows the car. The money starts shuffling. The ATM machine will be like, ooh. The money is played, so it is choking. If the guy doesn't have money, you slot the car. It's not bad, you know. If you want to know whether the guy is extremely broke, take him to the ATM again. You slot the card. This time it starts shuffling 1-1. The ATM machine is looking for the 1-1 CD. It's that bad, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, I heard that the government is going to start levying taxes on tithe and offering in Ghana. And do you think those Ashanti pastors will pay? Opambo and Go. Obini, Prophet 1. Pastors who have guy names, so follow by guy. Is that bad? Do you think they will pay? After everybody has done, the pastor will be like, I'm sorry for some more money. Yeah, sorry there. I can't find it. It's that bad, you know. See, I was just there one time and my girlfriend called me. Hello, I want 2 CDs to send me credit, 2 CDs. I was like, oh, I can't get you 2 CDs. He said, baby, 2 CDs, you can't. I said, baby, come. Just pick a car, take a taxi, and come to my house. I'll write you some check, okay? Right now, she was there. She just came to my house. Okay, baby, okay, you needed some money, right? Okay. This is an amount of money. Just go to the bank and, you know, and withdraw. She was like, thank you, honey. So, how much are we talking about? How much did you ask for? How much did you ask for? After asking me for 2 CDs, you want overtime? Or you want allowance? Please, sister, let me tell you. One day I was in the house and one of my girlfriends just came to me and she was like, honey, I want you to sponsor my hair. Human hair, Brazilian hair. These days, girls even ask of hair of countries who don't even have independence. I'm telling you, Indonesia and Co, Burundi, Somalia, Kenya. She said she wanted some. I said, baby, you want me to sponsor your hair, human hair? You want me to sponsor? I said, no problem. Okay, baby, since it's a sponsorship, okay, write a proposal. Yeah, it's a sponsorship, right? So you need to write a proposal. What do you do? If you want sponsorship from MTN, what do? You write a proposal, Abby? So after she, you know, I gave her the grants and everything. I told her, baby, in case I accept this thing, you need to, don't forget to put my logo because I sponsored this thing. Are you feeling the show? Who cares? I don't give a. Okay, I'm done.